How to install Elgato Eve light switch. Turn off power at the circuit breaker that controls the light switch. Ensure power is off by switching your existing light switch on and off multiple times. Remove your existing wall plate and light switch. Only proceed with the installation if there is a neutral wire, which is usually white, in the switch box. Connect the Eve light switch using wire nuts. There should be 4 wires in your switch box. The load wire, usually black, may exit to the top of your wall. Ground wire, usually green or bare, which is optional. Live wire, usually black, may exit to the bottom of your wall. Neutral wire, usually white, required but not always present. If no neutral wire is present, Eve light switch is not compatible at this location. If you're not sure which of the 2 wires is live and which is load, simply try one configuration. Swapping live and load will not cause any damage to Eve light switch. Mount Eve light switch into the wall. Screw in the snap plate and push the face plate onto it. Alternatively, use your existing wall plate. Turn on power at the circuit breaker that controls the light switch. Tap Eve light switch. Your lights should now turn on. If your lights do not turn on, your live and load wires might be swapped. Turn off power at the circuit breaker and try swapping them. Download the Elgato Eve app from the App Store. Open the Elgato Eve app and tap Add Accessory. Eve will now guide you through the setup process. If you have already set up another accessory, go to the Eve settings to add Eve light switch to your home. Enjoy! Switch your lights on and off from the app or using Siri. You can also tap Eve light switch to turn your lights on and off.